What's up, guys? Welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday. Today's episode, I'm going to show you the easiest way for getting ghost-like images in your camera.
I'm going to use the drift method. Freaking incredible. Round F16 for that to get that sunburst.
So it's getting close to Halloween time. It's the end of October, and I want to do something a little fun, a little seasonal. So we came out here to a place called Fort Baird, which is an old army base outside of Silver City, and it's really creepy. So I don't know if you can tell by all of this. And another really creepy, interesting fact is that this house that we just instinctively drove up to and thought would be the coolest looking one, yeah, that's house number 23. 23. I don't know if you've seen that movie or not, but that's creepy. It's creepy. Okay, anyway, so there's a bunch of different ways to do this. And there's a bunch of different ways to make the ghostly apparition type stuff, especially in Photoshop. But we're not going to get there. I just want to show you guys something simple and easy that you can do in camera. So I chose to do this at daytime because this place closes at night. Otherwise, it would be really cool to come out here at nighttime. That would be creepy. Hard to film, but creepy for the photos. But anyway, so I'm doing this during the daytime. So I'm using a 10-stop filter. So I've got that on because how we're going to do this is to make a long exposure. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. So we want to show movement and we want to make the subject blurred too, so where she looks like a ghost, and that means I need a longer shutter speed. So I need anything from 2 to 15, 20 seconds long, and we're going to experiment. I found this nice creepy row of trees with creepy old plantation houses, and I'm going to have Brittany just kind of walk down there. We're going to do some different shots and some different exposure times and see what works the best for getting that ghost-like image. All right, so for my settings in the daytime right now, I've got it on 10-second shutter at f9 ISO 100, and that's going to give me a lot of room to have Brittany moving around. What you're going to want to do though is if you have a longer shutter speed like that, you're going to want to make sure your subject is still for at least a third to half of that time period. That way you can have some sort of solid apparitional looking thing. So like I said, this would definitely be better or more natural for the effect if you do it at nighttime, and then you won't have to use the filter, but the process is the same. Just open it up whatever you can. If it's like super dark out, if you're in a creepy place like this, then 10 seconds will probably still be good, maybe even a little bit longer. All right, so let's have Brittany get out there and start walking, and let's see if we can come up with some creepy images. What's up, guys? Future Brent here. So I've been editing the video, and I forgot to mention when I was filming earlier the other day that this is all just the in-camera stuff, and while the in-camera stuff is fine and you can do that on any camera that has long exposure, including cell phones, because I know a lot of you guys shoot on cell phones, you can do that on anything as long as you have the filters for the daytime or go out at night and do the long exposure stuff and have just the in-camera stuff. But I edited these pictures a lot, obviously. So I'm going to try something new, and I have had a Patreon channel for a while, but I haven't pushed it. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I've revamped the whole thing, and I've got new levels of everything. And one of the things that I'm going to do is add in speed edits for the Patreon. I've already done the speed edits of all of these images that I edited today, and I'm going to throw those up on Patreon. So if you guys want to see that kind of stuff and you want to help support me in a different way, go check out my Patreon and see what I have to offer over there and see how it can help you guys. And I'll have a lot of content like that, the speed edits and a ton of other stuff that'll help you guys take your photography to the next level. So I'll have a link below to go check out my Patreon if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff and want to help out in a different way and want to learn some more stuff that's not going to be on the YouTube. All right, let's get back to the creepy stuff. All right, so that's it. Super simple, like I said. It just takes a little bit of experimentation and a little bit of creativity, and hopefully you can find somewhere creepy, and that'll definitely help sell it. You know, outfits, location, all that stuff. put all the creative happiness together and make some cool creepy images. And if you make something cool and you want to share it, make sure you tag me at Lightbender's Visuals on Instagram and I'll check it out. I love to see what you guys are doing after you watch my tutorials, and I really want to make this more of a community. So if you have any questions about anything that I talked about in the video or anything that you want to know, leave those in the comments below and I'll definitely answer them. If you like this stuff and you want to see more, definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel. I've got new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Hit that like button if this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.